Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to book a research consultation using our new research consultation booking software. But the first thing I want to answer is, what is a research consultation? A research consultation is a time where you can have a one-on-one appointment that fits your schedule with a librarian. These can be appointments to help you find books, articles, websites. Librarians can help you discuss or narrow down a topic for your research paper or assignment. They can help you refine your searching techniques, and they can help you pick out which is the highest quality information that you should use. So with that knowledge, let's show you how to book a research consultation. The first thing you'll want to do is come to the library's website, otterbein.edu/library. You'll come down here to Services and give it a click, and then you'll scroll down to where it says Student Services. Then you'll go ahead and click on Research Consultation. You'll notice that this opens a new window, and you can see that the URL is otterbein.libcal.com. You can always just type that in directly if that's the preferred way for you to access this. So the next thing you'll see here is that you can book a specific librarian by the subject area. Now, if you're taking, for instance, an English class and you want to work on your English paper, you can book Raresh here. If you are working on an engineering project, you can book Kristen. But another option for you is that you can always book your personal librarian. You are all assigned a personal librarian when you start at Otterbein, and you can watch our other video on how to find your personal librarian, which I'll link below. So let's show you how to do this. What's great about this software is that you don't have to do a bunch of emailing back and forth to find a good time for you. All you have to do is select your librarian and click the book button. So we're going to book Kristen Cole right now. So we're going to go ahead and click Book Kristen. And it will take you into this another window, and you can see what times and days she is available to meet with. So this is great because you can pick a time that works for you. So let's say that the 15th is a time that is a day that you have available, and 10:40 is the best time for you. So you go ahead and click that, and you'll go ahead and click Continue. Then you just need to come through here and fill out your information. So once you have all of this information filled out, and if you wanted to drag and drop any files in here, such as a syllabus that shows what the project is so that the librarian can have more information, or if you want to show like the paper that you've started, for example, you can put it in here if you want. Then you just go ahead and click Confirm Appointment. You'll see here it says Success, you are all set. A confirmation email with relevant appointment details was sent to your email. Check your spam folder if you don't see the email in your inbox. Let's say that you don't particularly care who you meet with, though. You just want to make sure that you get a time that works for you. You can actually book an appointment with any available librarian by clicking here. You can select a staff member if you want, but if you really don't care who you meet with, so long as you meet with someone that's best suited for you in terms of time, go ahead and click No Preference. And then you'll see every time that someone is open to meet with you. So you can go to Wednesday the 17th, for example, and select the time that works best for you. So let's say 1:30 was the best time for you on Wednesday. Go ahead and click that, and then click Continue. At that point, this window will come up, and it will actually tell you at that point who you'll be meeting with, just so that you're not surprised. After that, it's simply a matter of filling out all of the appointment details. As you can see here, I have received the email that confirms my appointment with Kristen Cole at 10:40 a.m. through 11:10 a.m. on February 15th, just like I requested. But let's say something comes up and you're unable to make that appointment. Instead of having to email Kristen back and forth to see about canceling, you can actually just come down here to this link that says to cancel this appointment, visit this website. Go ahead and give it a click and open my other screen, so I'll just go ahead and pull that over here now. There you go. So it shows your appointment details again, just so you can reconfirm it. And then right here it says cancel appointment. Yes. Go ahead and give that a click. And it will tell you that the appointment has been canceled and the cancellation confirmation was sent to Kristen Cole. That's it. It's nice and easy. This software is meant to make things a lot easier for you so that you can just hit a couple of buttons instead of having to find emails and go back and forth, and perhaps even miss the best time for you because you were waiting for a response or you missed an email yourself. So this will make it much, much faster to get the help that you need. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at library@otterbein.edu. Thanks.